This is Get Prepared with Augason Farms. Here's your host, Augason Farms President, Nathan Yearsley.
I'm Nathan Yearsley, President of Emergency Preparedness Food Provider, Augason Farms. And together with the Family Channel and Heartland, we want to help you and your family get prepared. Every region has unique risks, and it's always smarter to prepare for the disasters that may most likely affect you and yours. Begin by understanding your local threats and prepare for them specifically. Know your area by researching your region's most common threats, such as hurricanes in the southeast, wildfires in the west, tornadoes in the Midwest and the southeast, and earthquakes on the coasts. To best prepare for wildfires, create a defensible space around your home. Invest in an air purifier. Have N95 masks at the ready, and prep a go bag with important documents. Earthquake prep includes anchoring bookshelves and large furniture, keeping shoes under your bed, and creating a family quake preparedness plan. To prepare for tornadoes, identify your safe zones, such as the basement or an interior room. Practice sheltering. Keep helmets and whistles nearby. Last but not least, customize kits to the needs of your family members. Make sure that your go bags, home supplies, and communication plans reflect your family's potential risks. Come on. Let's get prepared.
You've been listening to Get Prepared with Augason Farms, focused on getting you ready for any unforeseen event, with tips for you and your family from the industry's pioneering leader in emergency preparedness meals, Augason Farms. For more information or to have Augason Farms meals, fruits, vegetables, egg, dairy, and dessert products delivered to your home, visit AugasonFarms.com.